Hi there, and welcome back to Brad and Amy. Today is going to be a fall speed clean with me. This was on a Tuesday, so I'm doing my weekly cleaning routine that I do on this particular day, as well as some of my daily cleaning. The dust motes flying around are so funny because I didn't even notice it while I was cleaning. So dusting the landings is part of my weekly routine, and so is cleaning our half bath. Lately I've been using Mrs. Meyer's in the geranium scent because Mrs. Meyer's uses essential oils, and geranium is one of the few scents that are safe to use around cats. Now, of our 3 cats, just one of them got sick from essential oils, but I decided to play it safe and stay away from many of the other scents. Vanilla is also thought to be safe around cats. I use these Walmart disinfecting wipes in all of our bathrooms. I think they work just as well as the name brand. So close, I want better in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, So now that the dirty work is done in the bathroom, I'm going to focus on the dusting, which I still think is dirty work because I hate dusting. Knowing there is more in life that I want. The last thing I do in the bathroom is wipe down the door handles. And then here's the finished clean bathroom. Now for one of my daily chores, emptying the dishwasher. And funny story about that cookie sheet, it was actually a pretty expensive one, and the very first time I used it, I was baking cookies and I forgot to set the oven timer. So now we have this lovely design on 2 of our cookie sheets. It's been 3 months since we talked. Feel like you're on a roll, yeah. Me, myself, and I just keep on stumbling around. You get someone else who is loving you. And oh, there he goes. Panic, I'm an addict, feel that rage inside. And oh, he don't even know. Babe, how can you be so blind? 'Cause I can love you better than no one else. And I can hold you tighter than she can. 'Cause I can love you better than no one else. Then I just load the dishwasher back up with the dirty dishes, and afterwards I wipe down the countertops. Prison, darling. I know I'm still stuck somewhere in your head. Still stuck somewhere in your head. Can you imagine me with someone else? Holding me tight here in my bed. And oh, there he goes. Panic, I'm an addict, feel that rage inside. And oh, he don't even know. Babe, how can you be so blind? 'Cause I
sweats on to make the bed, and as usual, there's my Sonny asleep right in the middle. Sometimes I wait to make the bed if he's sleeping on it because I just don't have the heart to move him. And now I'm going to vacuum. On this particular day, I just vacuumed the upstairs, the landing, and the steps. And I also vacuumed the area rug out on our deck a little bit later. And not long after I filmed this, we put away all of our deck furniture and took down our awning, so I may post a video of that in the near future.
Babe, how can you be so blind? I can hold you tighter than she can, 'cause I can love you better than no one else, 'cause I got good old love, 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 love.
You'll notice there's not a cat in sight while this vacuum is going. They hate it so much. In fact, Sonny usually hisses at it before I even turn it on, and then of course he hides somewhere.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I want you? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new.
I am so glad that's done, but I'm so glad I did it. I think it took me about an hour to do. I wasn't really watching the time, but it felt like an hour. Anyway, I'm so glad it's done. Thank you so much for watching. You know, I'm going to tell you who else is really glad it's done. This guy. You're glad I'm done, aren't you? Yeah, you don't like that vacuum.